up the tempo. Switch it up. Can I switch up the tempo? On you. Switch up the tempo. Switch it up. Can I switch up the tempo? Switch up the tempo.
Hey y'all, it's me, Michelle. I'm a licensed cosmetologist, SheaMoisture brand ambassador, and makeup artist. And I'm going to show you guys how I got this look in 6 simple steps. Step 1. The first thing you want to do is wash your hair thoroughly to remove any product buildup or excess dirt. I already washed my hair off camera, so we're going to move on to step 2. So step 2, you just want to get a wide tooth comb or a rat tail comb, and you want to section your hair into 4 different sections. I'm not going to use a comb because I'm used to using a clip, and it's easier for me because I kind of made it a habit. So you definitely want to part your hair in the direction that you're going to style your hair. So if you want a side part, you're going to part your hair on the side. If you want a middle part, part your hair in the middle. So step 3, I love to use leave-in conditioners. Those are my favorite to use. I feel like they protect the hair the best, and they add a lot of moisture. So what I typically use is Carol's Daughter, the black vanilla leave-in conditioner. The purpose of this is to add moisture to the hair. My hair always gets dry and sometimes it gets brittle, so I like to add something that has a lot of moisture in it, and it allows moisture to retain in my hair throughout the whole process. So I'm just gonna spray that in my hair. Another one that I use and I love, like this is one of my favorites to use, SheaMoisture. And I'm not just saying that because I'm a SheaMoisture brand ambassador, but I really love this line. The 100% virgin coconut oil line is my favorite because, again, it leaves my hair soft. It puts plenty of moisture in my hair, and that's something that I'm really big on. Like, I hate having my hair dry. This one serves a different purpose. This is a leave-in conditioner, and it's also spray. It's a little thicker than a Carol's Daughter leave-in conditioner, but this is more so to protect the hair. So it protects against heat, it controls the frizz, and it detangles your hair. And lastly, I like to use Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum, and it basically does just that. It makes your hair sleek and shiny, and it adds a finished look to your hair. So now that I'm finished that, the next step is to subsection each section, and I'm just going to subsection as I go, and I'm going to just section it into 2 parts. Depending on how thick your hair is, you might want to section it off into 3 parts, but it's definitely up to you. Let me show you guys how I blow dry. I use the tension method, but with the brush. I pull on it and then blow dry my roots first, like this, and make sure my roots are completely dry, and then I go in and blow dry the ends of my hair like this. And doing this allows my roots to stay dry and straight. I necessarily don't want to get my ends super straight because I still want a lot of volume when I wand curl my hair. So I'm not shooting for the goal of super straight. I just want my hair to be dry. And you can set the blow dryer on medium heat. Okay, so now that you're finished blow drying your hair, you just want to go over your hair with the blow dryer on cold air. That way it will allow you to find any wet spots or damp spots that are in your hair that you may have missed. And you definitely want to make sure that your hair is completely dry before you start wand curling your hair, because you don't want any breakage. So I'm just going to go over my hair with the cold air to make sure that my hair is completely dry. Okay, so my hair seems to be completely dry, and I can move on to the next step. So now that you have dried your hair, you want to section your hair the same exact way that you did the first time before you blew dry your hair. This just allows it to be more manageable for you to wand curl your hair, especially if you have tons of hair. If you have a lot of hair like me, you definitely want to get your hair out of the way so that you can achieve the best style as possible. So now that we have done that, I'm just going to subsection that section to get the other hair out the way. Just how we did it the first time. And I'm going to divide that section into another section of about this size. So if you don't have a wand curler, definitely don't go running out to buy one. If you have a curling iron in your house or access to one, I would suggest using that because it does the exact same thing. So you just want to wrap the hair around the wand curl just like this. And get it as close, get the ends as much as possible. And try to get it as close to the roots of your hair without burning yourself. And I would say hold that on there for about 10 to 15 seconds, nothing longer than that. And now that you finished that, you just want to add the finishing touches, and my favorite finishing touch is baby hairs. Like, I think I'm obsessed with laying my edges, like seriously. But if you lay your edges, you definitely want to go with something that's softer, because you don't want anything too harsh on your hair that will pull your edges out. What I like to use is by SheaMoisture. It's a strengthening growth and restore edge treatment. It's a very weird consistency. I'll let you guys see. And this is what it looks like. It's kind of like very gel-like. It's almost like a gel. That's exactly what it's like. It's not a super strong hold or anything like that, but once it dries, the hold is a lot stronger than when you first put it on. At first you may feel like it's very thin, it's not really doing anything, but if you let it dry a little bit, it will hold better. So it has peppermint oil in it, shea butter, castor oil, all of these things to help promote hair growth. And that's definitely something that you want to have in your edge control. How do you keep this hair? How do you keep your hair throughout the night while you're sleeping? So you want to just put your hair up in a very high ponytail, but keep it loose, not anything tight. You want to put it up like this. Just like this. I hope you guys can see. And put it in a ponytail. And just do one loop and that's it. Leave it just like that. And you can lay on this side, you can lay on that side, and on the back, or whatever. However you lay, it's cool. Because once you take it out, just shake your head, and it'll go back the same way. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys try it for yourselves. Let me know what you think. Comment below, subscribe, and don't forget to like. Thank you.